So I invite you, please. Let's take a moment now to turn inward. And so if you're comfortable, please close your eyes. If not, just find a place in front of you, or if you're joining us online, you can find an area where you can just soften your gaze. And as we move into this, just know that there's nothing for you to fix. There's nothing you need to figure out. It's just a willingness to be present. So with each breath in and with each exhale, just allow that breath to soften. Yeah, just allow it to bring softness. And now with each breath, I invite you to see how you're becoming more and more available to life. As Myrtle did, notice the life within you. If there's any areas in your body that are feeling discomfort, where there's dis-ease in them, speak life to them now. Speak those words of truth, of light, of love, of forgiveness if necessary. Invite them to be the living, beating expression of that Christ light. And in that same vein, let's turn to gratitude. Let's turn to appreciation. And appreciate things about yourself, things about your body, things about your way of being. Acknowledge that. Smile at it. I've thanked my hands and feet for the ability to drum so many times. So where can you be grateful? Where can you appreciate? And where can you soften? Now join me in a nice deep breath in. And let that go.